How to make free photo collage on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Collage application on your phone. The Collage app is used to create and edit photo and video collages, including greeting cards, invitations, and scrapbooks. Once you're here, tap on Select Photos and Videos as shown. Select the photos that you want to make a collage of and then tap on Add at the top right corner. After that, choose the layout that you like from here. After getting a preview, tap on the tick icon. You can now edit the collage as you like using the edit options below. And then, tap on Done at the top. Here, tap on Save to Library. Now, go back and open up the Photos application. You will find the collage you just created over here. Tap on it to view the collage. Following these steps, you can easily make free photo collage on iPhone.